Uptown Photowalk I went on, it was a total whim. I got to meet a whole bunch of really awesome people that I follow on Instagram and kind of support each other in our photo journey.
It's been really an incredible 2-year experience getting to know a lot of local photographers in the neighborhood.
The crew definitely made me feel at ease.
The first one that I went to, I have some really amazing, awesome friends from that I have hired for work.
It's been great to be people who really have become like lifelong friends now.
I usually photograph people and events, so it's actually my first experience doing street photography.
I've met incredible people. This is actually really making me hungry. It's pushing me to do more urban photography. My style is more landscape.
Oftentimes we'll take pictures of the same place, the same locations, sometimes even on the same day, but you get to really see things from different perspectives.
I think it's changed a lot of my attitude about the things I shoot because it's given me a whole new enthusiasm, because the more people that you're meeting as a result of doing this, you're getting a lot more reactions, a lot more questions.
So the one I led in Queens was actually the first ever photo walk that I personally led. So much fun, especially to have it be like an all femme and all female walk. That was really important. And, you know, such an honor that I got to be able to do that in my community.
Just being here and just being part of this community has really helped me tremendously. My photos will still be in my phone and not even exposed. They are really helping me just get out of my shell, and that's the most important thing for me.
I started meeting up with local photographers because that's around the time I was starting my photography, and we were just hanging out. And then over the years, I met up with photographers just kind of randomly. Eventually, I met Carlos, and Carlos was like, "Dude, we should do this more often." And then we just started doing it as monthly as possible. Now we have it monthly, and it's a very consistent thing now.
Originally, the way we chose it, we were always focused on Uptown Photowalk, and we were always doing Washington Heights and Wood. And then at some point it started to get repetitive, so we extended it to Harlem, and then we extended it to crossing the High Bridge to the Bronx, and then we started expanding more of the Bronx into that. And then recently we just did one in Brooklyn by Bay Ridge. So we're like, even though we're Uptown base, it doesn't hurt to explore and go to other boroughs, because we're still like our hearts in New York City and there's more out there, and we don't want to again like limit people to just one location.